At Allproof Industries, we are committed to building the future, sustainably, responsibly, and with innovation at every step. Proudly New Zealand owned and operated, Allproof has been at the forefront of the construction industry for over 35 years, manufacturing premium plumbing, drainage and passive fire protection products. Our team of over 130 skilled professionals use leading technology to design and fabricate premium products known for their performance, quality and durability in New Zealand's construction sector. Precision and excellence are at the core of every product we make, designed to perform and made to last. With state-of-the-art equipment, including injection molding and laser cutting, our production facilities enable us to develop innovative, industry-leading solutions. Sustainability drives everything we do. With renewable energy powering our operations, including 449 solar panels generating clean electricity, we take environmental responsibility seriously. From using solar energy to our fleet of hybrid and electric vehicles, we're committed to reducing our carbon footprint while delivering premium New Zealand-made products. By using 100% recycled plastic, we create sustainable drainage and passive fire protection systems, preventing tons of waste from reaching landfills every year. Collaboration with local professionals ensures our products are tailored to meet the demands of New Zealand's building code and the needs of our communities. Whether it's plumbing, drainage or passive fire protection, our solutions are designed for durability and efficiency, supporting projects across New Zealand and Australia. At Allproof, we're more than manufacturers. We're shaping the future where innovation meets sustainability, with products that protect, perform and endure.